Hey guys, Kev here, and I just wanted to create a quick video for you. We've just taken delivery of 11 pallets behind me here. This is one of the biggest orders that we've had arrive at the warehouse. You can see we've got 11 pallets all stacked outside. I'm just about to get started with getting these all inside so they can all start to get processed. But that's 11 pallets, which is pretty cool, pretty amazing actually, just to see it all sort of come out and come out off the lorry and get delivered. But the truth is, you know, only a couple of years ago, I would have thought, myself and Kylie would have thought, there's no way we would get a delivery like this. We were just in our living room. You know, we just started off in our living room. So the whole point I'm trying to make here is, you know, think big. Just push yourself as far as you can outside your comfort zone. Work it out every single day. And just like we're going to work out how we're going to process these quicker, faster than ever before. So I just wanted to jump on here and just say, keep taking massive action. Super excited about this one, and take care. So let's come on in. So if you enjoyed that, please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Just wanted to come in here and provide as much value to you guys as possible. So if you've not seen this before, this is our office. Okay, so we've got the team here that do amazing jobs. So we've got amazing girls here. Just check out the Instagram if you want to follow us from behind the scenes. But this is basically the office that we've got. We've got an amazing dashboard that allows us to see all our KPIs. We've shared a load of great photos of our journey when we was in the paper. We've got a nice plant look, which is nice. A couple of printers. It's just fantastic. And we've got loads of great office sort of inspirational quotes. You know, that's what we're all about. We're team massive action in here. So just thought I'd just walk around and I'll just share with you what is the aftermath. Okay, so this is where we're at. So first of all, we've got a load of shipments already done. Okay, so look at all these shipments already done. These are all done. Amazing amount of work that we've done. Completely full here of shipments that couldn't fit onto UPS at the time. And then we've just got some brand new bins. And then look at this. This is the aftermath. So First of all, let me go up, not spoil anything for you. So you're going to be looking at the ceiling, but this is where we are at. So check this out. It's been like a maze here. So we've got pallets everywhere. These are all shipments already being done, materials. We've got, if you've seen videos before of what we do, we have streams of products being processed right here. So these are all shipments that have already been done. We've got pallets of products here. We've got like 1, 2, 3 pallets here. We've got all those shipments have already been done, so they're even more shipment boxes. I think we've probably got roughly about, I would say, the best part of 300 to 400 boxes just sat around the warehouse, all waiting to go out because the team have just taken massive action and got so much done. We've got some more boxes right here as well. Got a pallet here, pallet there, pallet there, pallet here, pallet here. And it's just been just crazy, absolutely crazy, the amount of work that the team have done here. Super, super proud. And what this has done, and let me go upstairs. So we've got an upstairs up here. So let me go on up here, squeeze through. Here's the events. So we've got the events. Hopefully we'll be returning events if you wanted to come and check us out and have a great time with us. This is the upstairs right now, looking down. Now, when you see this may seem to you like maybe a bit of chaos, right? There's a lot of products everywhere. And this happened, and the reason why this has happened is because we literally had like 20 pallets all come in the space of a day, right? So the team and the girls there, they do an amazing job. They ship thousands of units out of here every single week, thousands. And then we've just had an incredible spike in demand where we had like 20 pallets in the space of a day. And this has been the result. Hence why out of those 20 pallets, if you think about the pallets that we've got remaining, 1, 2, we had 3, 4. There's one over there and there's one over there. So out of those 20 pallets, we've already dismantled and worked and processed like 15 of them, okay? That's the speed that we're working at. And you only see it like this because the knock-on effect of having these shipments like this here, they're now waiting for UPS to go. Okay, so they're now waiting for UPS to be picked up. So this is the status of us right now, and it's pretty epic. So I'm just going to look down the stairs while I'm walking down. I won't want to fall as I just squeeze through here. So this is the status of our warehouse right now, and the amazing work that the team do and the amazing efforts that the team have been doing. We will be on top of this. We will be, within the next week, we will be on top of this and it will clear up, and we're now working on how to overcome this amount of demand, right? So when we've got like 20 pallets all come at once, and let me flip the camera around here and I'll have a seat and we'll talk a bit more. So yeah, when we have a demand like this, when we have an increase in demand, myself and Kylie and Steve, we've been really talking about what we are going to do to push to that next level. So we've got some great operations in 2 other locations with Brigg and Newcastle, which is amazing, which allows us to divert, which is awesome, as well as we've created an evening shift. So we're going to do an evening shift at the warehouse, which is amazing. We're going to be hiring more staff, which will help with an evening shift work, which is awesome. And that's what you have to do. And we're looking at the equipment, the speed, how we can optimize even further. We have amazing virtual assistant team that help us as well get all the processing done. We have so much of the processing being done and the support from behind the scenes being done, which is amazing. We are looking at hiring a success secretary in the warehouse. So somebody who's the front of house somebody who's sat here and they're basically just working for the team while the team are in there, right? The team are taking massive action through there, and they're working. They're really, really busy, and we've got like a secretary who's on the phone in here, talking to our partners, talking to maybe phone calls and emails that come in, as well as helping myself and Steve out, as well as the team. So I just wanted to just come in and just share with you what happened this week. We've got some big ambitions, we've got some big goals, and this ultimately all started from our living room. So I wanted just to come on here and hopefully just share this with you, just another moment in time while I look at the warehouse where, you know, we've been coming here for the past 4 years at this point, making this work. And I'm going to jump back in the car, I'm going to get myself home and be with the kids. But I hope you enjoyed this. Let us know if there's anything we can do to support you, if you need anything from us, if you're interested in prep service or anything like that. We've got a great system, got a great team, we will help you out. And take care, keep taking massive action, and I hope this inspires you, because, you know, 5 years ago, we could only dream this, but we believed it. We took massive action every day, and I hope this inspires you too. So take care, keep taking massive action. I'll speak to you very, very soon. Bye-bye.